Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is a model question paper 3. Concepts of Mechanical Engineering-II. Subject code is 25ME21I. This is an second sem subject. So 2 marks questions. So I have already applied model question paper 1, model question paper 2. Now it is in model question paper 3 for 2 marks questions. So define crystalline material with an example. So the material which atoms arrange in a regular repeat patterns in all the direction, that material we call it as an crystalline material. So you can give an example for salt you can give an example for crystalline material NaCl, or also you can give a metal like a iron, you can give an example for crystalline material. These material which is having a well defined structure and shape. Next will be the name any two case hardening process. So one is an carburizing, next one is nitriding. These are two main case hardening process. In this case hardening process, what we have to use this process, this is hardening the soft metal while keeping core is in soft. Harden the surface of the metal. We have to keep the metal in a soft. That purpose we are using case hardening process. Next, coming to the third question, define physical vapor deposition method on surface treatment. So we have to define what is physical vapor deposition. So here the statement as given, it is a surface treatment. It is surface treatment process. Okay. Here what we have to do, a thin coating materials is deposited on the surface by converting solid into vapor form in a vacuum. So we have to place in such a way a thin coating material we have to deposit on surface, which we have to convert solid to vapor state or vacuum state. That process we call it as a physical vapor deposition method on surface treatment. So why we have to use this method? We have to improve the hardness and wear resistance, appearance of the material. This method we have to use. And next question, mention any properties of nanomaterials. Okay, what is the property of nanometer? One is an eye surface area. Next one is enhancing mechanical strength. So coming to the eye surface area, what will happen if the large surface area compared to the volume, in which increases reactivity. If the surface will be more, so reactivity will be more. Enhancing mechanical strength, nothing but it is enhancing mechanical strength. It is a stronger, hardened than the bulk materials. Okay. Next, mention any piezoelectric material used in an electronic device. One is a quartz and the other one is a lead zirconate titanate, that we call it a PZT. These materials, that material we can use it for generating electrical charge, which mechanical stress applied widely used for electric device. Those material quartz and TPZ we can use. Next will be in what is an importance of providing shrinkage allowance in the pattern. So why we have to provide shrinkage allowance in the patterns? To compensate for the contraction metal during cooling and solidification. Compensation of the contraction metal during the cooling and solidification, there we are using. The finally we have to casting, we have to check the correct size and dimension after cooling. So once we have to solidification, cooling will be happen, so we have to check the final correct size and dimension of the materials. Next will be and next question, what is bar drawing? So what do you mean by bar drawing? It is a process. Bar drawing is a metal forming process which metal rod or bar pull through a die to reduce the diameter and improve the surface finish. That we call it as a bar drawing. Okay, so this bar drawing commonly where we are using, we have to use it for producing wires, rods and accurate dimensions. We are using bar drawing. Next, write any application for sheet metal working process. So first one is we can use it for automobile body parts. There we can use in the automobile body parts, nothing but we can manufacturing car doors, hoods and panels. And next we can use it for household appliances, nothing but to making the like a cupboards, utensils and washing machine bodies. We are using sheet metal materials. In the sheet metal materials also we can use it for manufacturing metal products also. We are using this type of these materials. So if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel, share and support. Thank you.